The ring-only fixture type is comprised of two primary below-ceiling components. The ring collar, which enables a consistent cable transition between fixtures at varying sizes and mounting heights, and the ring luminaire itself. So before you get going on the primary installation, to facilitate the process, it's recommended that you prepare the plastic ring collar by setting each of the screws. A few turns should suffice, enough to prevent them from becoming dislodged during the latter part of the installation. Start by installing the plastic collar with the screws from the previous step. To do so, insert each of the three cable drops through their respective holes, being mindful of proper orientation. Each cable should be vertical and in line with the respective hole origin in the canopy. Referencing the noted specifications in the installation instructions, determine the respective mounting height of the ring collar, then level and secure the set screws in place. Once the plastic collar is at the desired height, level, and secured, install the finished cast collar in a similar fashion to what was done on the plastic collar, align accordingly, and then secure in place using the three screws provided. Now, refer to the installation instructions and based upon your specific fixture ring diameter, find and make note of the specified cut cable length from the collar to the ring. Measure and mark each of the respective cable drops from the collar down to the respective distance noted. Cut the cable at each of the measured and marked locations using Felco-type cable cutters. Now it's time to install the ring. To do so, loosen each of the three grippers located at the top surface of the ring, align each labeled gripper location with its corresponding labeled cable, and plug the cables into each of their respective grippers. Once engaged, push each cable down until it stops. Again, make sure that each gripper emits at least one audible click to identify that the cable and gripper are properly engaged with one another. Now is a good time to do one final check to ensure that the ring is level. Provided the leveling process was done properly with the collar, you should for the most part be in good shape at this point. If it appears off a bit, you're able to make some slight adjustments in each of the cable gripper locations for some last-minute refinement. Secure each of the knurled nuts, remove the polarity labels, and that concludes the installation of the ring.